Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning analysis. Today we are going to look at the gold asset one more time, and then we're going to dive into the actions of the assets. What are we to expect this week? What are we to look for this week? And what exactly should we be looking at all? Today we are going to look at. Okay, now let's take it one after the other. Let's take it one after the other. All right. Gold is currently at this point. This is the final point, and you can see we're having some kind of rejection candles and then a continuation of the rejection. So this week, what am I expecting? What am I expecting? All right. I think I have done this somewhere last week, but let's go into it. Okay. Now, gold is showing us a possible or a possibilities of a triangle like that. All right. Possibilities of a triangle like that. Okay. So, what exactly does this mean? I'm seeing this, I'm seeing all of this to be a kind of with 1 or with A. Okay, we'll get to that. Then we should get some corrections, probably to the upside like this, and then we drop again. That can also be with A right here, and then this correction I was talking about, that would be with B right there, or with 2 right there, and then we're going to get with 3 and then with C. Interesting stuff right here. So before the market would even open, I have actually figured out this move that will possibly go to the upside and then start coming back down. Right? So there is nothing to worry about in this particular asset for now. There is nothing to worry about. Where we are at this area, I'm also thinking we can have something like this, 1, 2, 3, like that, and then price would crawl slowly, make a bigger correction, like that, correct like this before we drop. All right, all of these things is very, very possible, very, very highly possible. But what we are interested in now is the pieces of the market, and let's go watch the pieces. Let's go watch the pieces. So gold has already done this 1, 2, 3 move. All right, if that is the case, it can possibly do 1, 2, 3 like this again. Then this cycle is completed, then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that to somewhere here, and then we still drop. This is what we should be looking at. Okay, so we have this as with A, this as with B, with C, another A, another B, and another C. Then all this becomes one cycle of degree W, X, and then a Y. If we have 5 waves in here, we can label them. All right. So this is what we should be looking at. I told you we don't want to look into the bigger picture all the time. What we look at is the smaller ones, okay? Because the pieces of the puzzle is what would give us what exactly we're looking for. Right? A lot of people look at the bigger picture all the time and they get the market wrong. But look at the pieces. Or this can probably be with 1 A, B, and C like this. Like this. And then we start another correction like that. Since we've broken the top, it can never be a 1. Alright? Okay, we almost hit TP this morning, and price reversed. I think by a pip, price reversed, went to the upside, is coming back, and then we should be seeing about currently we should be in about 30 pips now in profit. 30 pips in profit now. All right. So the interesting stuff is right here, but we also have to be very, very careful that it is the interesting stuff. This move and that move is the interesting stuff, but we have to be very, very careful. Okay, we have to be very, very careful. All right. So what should we be looking, or where should we be looking? This is a kind of correction, so price should continue down like this. When we get here, we should also be watching. Okay, we should be watching, because you see we tapped here, we tapped it again, or trend line insertions, so be careful about the trend line insertions. All right. Okay. So basically that is that. Guys, these days you don't leave me more likes, more love. You don't show me the love. Okay, guys, please show me the love. I love the loves. All right. So Francis said, "Good morning, boss." Good morning, Francis. Joseph says, "Good morning." Israel also says, "Good morning." Good morning to you all, guys. So today is another Monday, and we have to make money. Please hit the love button so many times as you can. All right, so many times as you can. Okay, so if we have this move, we should expect a correction like this before we go, even though price can drop just like that. Okay, but always when you are moving, watch your environment, watch what is happening, watch it. Okay, it's very, very important. Watch it. All right, so I'm going to update something. I'll get. Okay, so I just did the update. It's so crazy. Yeah. All right. So guys, let's keep our eyes on the chart. Like I told you already, this part is the interesting part, correction. So definitely they will go. Okay, they are going to go. They are going to go. So we should expect them to do the move. That's what we should be expecting them to do. They should do the move. Okay, they should do the move. All right. I'm actually doing an update right now on Telegram. I'm doing an update right now on Telegram. So we've made 40 pips already this morning, which is crazy. 40 pips already. All right. Okay, now I can continue. Yeah. All right. So this is what we should be expecting. Okay, this is what we should be expecting today. Today, like I told you, this correction should drop. When we get here, don't close out your trades. Watch. Keep watching, because price can do like this, and price can still continue. Okay, continue as in it will give us another correction like this, slow ones, and then we'll go down again. Don't close your trades. If your account is small, you can close it out, but if it is not and it's big, don't worry at all. Don't close it. Don't worry closing it. Okay, don't worry at all closing it. All that you have to do is you have to how do you call it, you have to watch it. You have to watch it. Okay. All right. Somebody says Mola Monday. That is Darlington. Okay, and then What's his name? Henry says, "Good morning, boss." All right, good morning. Aiken says, "Good, professor." So, guys, when we get here, okay, currently, I think what I'm expecting wants to happen, okay? What I'm expecting wants to happen now. Let's go to the 1 minute and then we check it out. Earlier on, I told you something about. Oh, clock. Okay. Earlier on, I told you something about this very move. You can see we have a 3 move like this 1, 2, 3. They are giving us another 1, 2, 3. They can possibly impulse to the upside like this. Okay. Then we get something like this before they will start going down. Alright. So we are not closing out our trades, but rather we would watch them. Will they continue or they will do this move? That's one thing you always have to know. Okay, when you are trading, you don't just close out a trade and then you say, okay, let the market break. When it breaks, I'm going to jump in. You are risk free right from here. So why will you close it here? That's the problem. All right. So watch it. Keep watching. They break through. They go down, 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 just like that. All right. You see, now they are going. Now they are going. It means that this move is set and we are going to the downside. We can come all the way to these areas and that is fine before we should see any kind of move to the upside. All right. Then this can give us a bigger degree with A, and that can give us a bigger degree of with B, or with 2, with 1, and then we go back down. We will go back down. All right, guys. So this week, the focus is shifted to sell. The focus is shifted to sell. 40 pips on gold is not child's play. All right. Charlie. So this week our focus on gold is sell, 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 sell. We're just selling gold. When gold comes up, we sell it. When gold comes up, we sell it. That is the focus for this week. Don't do anything else. Okay? Don't do anything else. Because even if you are trapped in the market, because the direction is a sell, you're definitely going to go out of that trade. That's one trick a lot of people do not know. So guys, let's go watch gold. Let's focus. Let's keep cashing out on gold each and every single day. All right. If today is your first time, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to MolarGold Signals. And then also tell a friend about MolarGold. At this point, my name is Dr. Mola, and I say bye for now, guys.